Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into the wonderful world of vocabulary with a new word. Today's word is bowl. It's an A2 level noun, and it means a round dish for food. A bowl is typically deeper than a plate, and it's often used for serving things like cereal, soup, or salad. Let's think about some words that are similar or synonyms. A synonym for bowl could be dish. For example, she placed the pasta in a large dish. Another synonym is container, as in he used a container to hold the popcorn. Now, let's think about some words that have the opposite meaning, or antonyms. It's a little tricky to think of a direct opposite for bowl, but we could consider something like plate, which is a flat surface, unlike the round depth of a bowl. He ate his pizza from a plate. Or we could consider tray, another flat surface often used to carry things, as in the waiter brought the drinks on a tray. How can you use bowl in your everyday life? Well, you might say, I need a bowl for my cereal in the morning, or can you pass me the bowl of salad? It's really common in kitchens and meal times. Here are some more example sentences using bowl. She filled the bowl with fresh fruit, or the cat tipped over its bowl of water. Or the potter crafted a beautiful ceramic bowl, or the simple phrase, a soup bowl. So to recap, a bowl is a round dish for food. Synonyms include dish and container, and we could think of plate or tray as antonyms. Thanks for joining me on Hello Word today. If you enjoyed learning about the word bowl, please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. And before you go, create your own sentence using the word bowl and share it as a comment below. Thanks again, and see you next time.